The overall goal of this experiment is to develop an assay for studying the effect of small molecules in modulating the aggregation of misfolded proteins in a time and dose-dependent manner.
This method can help answer the key questions for development of cellular assay and its uses for high-content screening techniques. The main advantage of this technique is to provide a simple method to detect and quantify protein aggregation occurring in several neurodegenerative disorders.
The implication of this technique extends towards potential therapy of neurodegenerative diseases, such as ALS, because it proposes a simple method that allows to develop a cellular assay and perform screening for small molecule modulators.
To start virus production, prior to plasmid transfection, split HEK293 T cells at 30 to 40% confluence in a 10 cm tissue culture dish in 10 milliliters of cell culture medium. Incubate the culture plate in a 5% carbon dioxide incubator at 37 degrees Celsius overnight. On the following day, prepare DNA transfection solution with packaging plasmids, lentiviral vector, 125 microliters of 1 molar calcium chloride, and add distilled water to adjust the volume to 500 microliters. Gently add 500 microliters of 0.05 molar HEPS buffer and incubate for 10 minutes at room temperature. After that, replace HEK293 T cell medium with 10 milliliters pre-warmed antibiotic-free fresh culture medium mixed with 1 milliliter of DNA transfection solution.